हेलो एवरीवन। कोरोना वायरस का न्यू वेरिएंट ओमाइक्रोन ऑलरेडी इंडिया में आ चुका है। निफ्टी अपने ऑल टाइम हाई जो कि 19 अक्टूबर को बनाया था उससे 7.5% लो चल रहा है। इज इट गुड टाइम टू बाय स्टॉक और टू सेल स्टॉक और इट मे बी साइडवेज? प्लस ऐसे कौन से स्टॉक्स हैं जो आपको क्रिसमस तक अच्छा रिटर्न दे सकते हैं? We'll see all those things in this video. Hey, this is Chatarpal Singh Arora, by profession software project manager, by passion stock market trader and investor. तो यस, ओमाइक्रोन इंडिया में आ चुका है, बट इट शुड बी ओके। आप लोगों को पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली यू शुड बी कॉशियस। स्टॉक मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, इट यू कांट प्रिडिक्ट राइट नाउ। बट if you are cautious, if you identify some good stocks, अगर वो ऊपर जाते हैं then it's good enough that you can generate good money from stock market. Same way if you see, अगर निफ्टी अपने ऑल टाइम हाई से 7.5% नीचे चल रहा है, that is a big number. So according to me it's a good opportunity also. So अगर आप कुछ अच्छे स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट 10-15 डेज के लिए, जो कि आपको एटलीस्ट से 8 to 15% रिटर्न दे सकते हैं, देन इट्स गुड टू गो। बिकॉज अगर स्टॉक मार्केट नीचे भी जाता है और आपके आइडेंटिफाइड स्टॉक अगर आपको गुड रिटर्न देते हैं, देन यू कैन जनरेट गुड मनी फॉर यू। सो यस, आई आइडेंटिफाई फ्यू स्टॉक्स फॉर यू, you know, for your education purpose. You can put those stock in your watch window and check if those stocks are good or not good for swing trading. And as I said, those stocks I identify, I guess those stock can give return by or before Christmas only. So let's see all those stocks one by one. So if you see this chart, ये Nifty 50 का chart है, and if you see this chart on 19th of October, 18,600 का हाई बना के अभी नीचे चल रहा है, बट इफ यू सी लास्ट 5-10 सेशंस, stock market is going 2%, 1.5% up and again down also. So but stock market behavior is like that only. Stock market ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, you should not bother much. अगर आपके stock ऊपर जाते हैं, then you should get good money from it. So you have to identify such stocks only which can give good return to you. So let me share few stocks which I identify for swing trading now. First stock is Sera. Sera, if you see, this company is into the sanitary ware, tiles, and so on. And this stock is also showing very good momentum, and I feel that it can give a good return before Christmas time. So you can see this chart pattern, and before few days only, in the RSI 2 indicator, it was showing in my radar. So if you want, you can put this stock in your watch window, and you can see this stock can give a good return to you. So if I tell the some numbers, identify this stock on 3rd of December for swing trading. So the current market price of Sera is 4925 and expected target is 5438. So target percent is 12.36, and you have to watch that stock when it's coming little low in the range of 4840 to 4872. And I'm expecting by 23rd December it will give this much return. And I identify this stock on the technical analysis with the help of RSI 2 indicators. So please put this stock in your watch window. Check RSI 2 indicator इस stock के लिए काम करता है कि नहीं, because according to me, अगर आपको swing trading करना है, then definitely RSI 2 is the best indicator for it. Let me continue with the next stock. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक विच आई आइडेंटिफाई इज पेडलाइट. सो पेडलाइट के मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज करते होंगे, फेविकोल, फेविस्टिक and so on. So if you see, this is also showing a very good chart pattern. That is stock again going on the U-turn, and this stock again came in my radar before few days on RSI 2 indicator. If you see on 1st of December, that RSI 2 value was approximately 2 or 3. So that is the good time if you buy that stock if it's showing good on RSI 2 indicator. So if I tell numbers now, for Pidilite, the current market price is 2208 and the target is 2382 and approximately return is 9.47. You can watch it again if it's coming little below from the current price, which is 2176 or 2193. So you have to buy in that range. And I'm expecting by 24th of December, it can give this much return. And as I said, this stock identify on the base of RSI 2 indicator. Next stock which I identify for swing trading is Page Industries. So Page Industries, आपको अगर पता होगा कि they are into innerwear, socks, and so on. So this stock again came in my radar before few days, and it's also showing good on RSI 2 indicator on that day. So the few numbers for Page Industries on 3rd of December, its current market price is 38031 and expected target is 41600. So approximately 11.08% return. You have to buy when it come in the range of 374.5 to 37434, and by 24th before Christmas, yes, this much return it's possible from this stock. And again, this stock identify on the base of RSI 2 indicators. Put in your watch window. As I said, these stocks are for your educational purpose only. You have to learn it, that why I am telling that RSI 2 indicator is the best indicator for swing trading. Let me share the next stock which I identify for swing trading, which is Tata Elxsi. Again, it's a very well-known company in the IT industry. So this stock again, you can see it came down and again showing good momentum. And before few days, this stock again came on my radar for in RSI 2 indicator. So if I share some numbers for this on 3rd of December, the closing price of Tata Elxsi is 5897, and you can expect 12.84% return, and the target is 6466. Again, when a stock is little coming down, then only you have to buy, which is in the range of 5730 to 5765. And yes, by 24th of December, you can get this much return. So again, this stock I identify on the base of RSI 2 indicators for your educational purpose only. So all these stocks are showing good. Yes, market may go up, market may go down. If any bad news is coming, then definitely there is all technical analysis will fail. So you should be cautious for sure, but you have to be watchful if you get good return from this stock. So these are the stocks which I identify for the swing trading. If you like this video, then please put the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any this kind of videos in the future. If you want to follow me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, you can find link in the below section. You can connect with me on Facebook or my Telegram channel also. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope before end of the year, this Christmas stocks will give good return to you, and you have good, healthy, wealthy New Year party. Thank you very much. Bye bye.